Hi friends, today I'm going to make stir fry cuttlefish dish. Okay, let's do. First of all, I'm going to clean the cuttlefish well and we'll cut into pieces. Little amount of turmeric powder and wash twice. Now you can see I have cut and I'm going to wash with the turmeric powder. Add turmeric powder and we'll wash this. Now you can see I have cleaned it, washed it, and let's see how to cook this. First of all, add little turmeric powder and add 2 tablespoons of salt, chili powder, masala powder, and mix it well. Add little amount of oil and preheat the pan and let it heat. Add little amount of mustard seeds, ginger garlic paste, fenugreek, chopped onion, chili, green chili, curry leaves, let it come to golden brown color and add tomato, a little amount of chili powder, mix it well, and I'm going to add clean cuttlefish. Mix it well, combine everything. Let's keep this for 20 to 30 minutes to cook well. Now you can see it have released itself water. Don't add water to it. Now see, our dish is ready. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe my channel and give a like. Thank you.